Uséless beba obibia akwaba ahadie later than us enkwa enamide bremo eluti so we subscribe ya bomoni ase obe subscribe to the channel the way answer obe click the subscribe button na what belly notification we answer you video be upload no when the first person I was abeka esa video after we are now like video give us a thumbs up na fi share ma ofofro so na when you be here na we who and someone apostle ewo Ghana na emu hano afi yebura eye sema ababeto yepono so eye galamsey hu sensemi aye bija ko ba bia no no bia ka ho se sanse yinfu bina ase na we na ye NPP one MP ba ko aye friend Dr. Ayew Effiduase a wako kan sema te se Ghana for people do na bo fu se nde sadia ye to ba ko tie before the pamom kra no monko a wono o kire se galamsey do enya de best perform ne on best perform cha na sasa we ahye ko fu bebre ya bufu pa na no na ye NDC one communication member bako aye friend Asafo Adjei ene watoto bi dia mane eye MP ono so na ye MP4 eye member of parliament for Effiduase Asokore in the Ashanti region a whole doctor and our cancer same we ene Asafo Adjei amfa no ho achere ni watoto bi e dia mana ne papa na wore sebudo na watoto na intente mara inkuti ensemo ye sa NPP4 one MP Bawumia campaign platform for our workers and seven. Meeting in seven kind no. Lucia na to say Asafo Adjei reaction. They and some go na tap for edina and some. Nobody and some are about meeting.
And the research that was done as of last week shows that Net2 Abba we are gaining 18 seats. The national TV data here. I am telling you, say Net2 Abba at the end of August, the NPP was winning 80 more seats. And the NDC paying for our parliament. We are talking all the time. They are aware. And until now, I won't cry. Nobody confusion. Bana man for yen to Abba. Omo ya dia. Ya beto. Omo said that in crying. And na omo confuse obia. Oh yeah, galamsey. I will swear to galamsey. Small scale mining, community mining, and find galamsey, no. And you're different from Togo for the Burkina before na last month. NDC for Akufo Addo, Ofin, Oda, Pra. But we are going after them. Me say, the operation we have started this week in the middle belt. Yabeya nyasanko for the day omoba yenubi. Because the ensaka don't say obeboa ya mayenya omukrofo no. And to know the F&O Mabonte. The Casa Onte. Kwabrani who said we are winning the seats in the mining areas. So they decided to go and import foreigners. No one know about it. No man can't jump and say, Munko in Renumu, Namunko to go do, or say Munko soon, Namunko to. Namurefi Muhana, the whole year. In so, I have a problem there. And you want to started. And yet, Obina, or Pese. Anka omo ye nanka ye di speed nanka ya caught nanka ya stopping galamsey for nanka ya lose your seat. Yes, stop you omo na. Yes, stop you omo china. Because there's a difference between mining in the forest as a small scale or community mining, and there's a difference between mining in the river bodies. Omo there will stop them. Obibia almighty war in some no oye nipa bonini. Nakupon so be triamka. Anyway, phone in every triamka. There's a mode efi moko na mututu aboa ne ho NDC for na mode aba be kire say aboa ba ni.
NDC for and Akufo amanfo free Togo. Any Burkina. Aba be gu Ghana nsuo. Was that a fair comment?
According to Ononi
Inter, then this government is useless. Then the MPs in parliament very useless. I was saying, do you know why? If Dr. Afriyie claims to have evidence, say Yakofo Amanfo free Togo, Eddie Baba saying so, which is a national security matter and a threat to our very existence and survival because they are poisoning so now down to our numbi. Ye be by the case in so now, every mouth ye.
These are facts.
That is your fact. But the fact I also have
Eric,
2015
Eric, please.
Mommy flow.
No.
What do you
Eric, listen.
You
play by my rules, not your rules.
Matthias,
hold on.
I'm stating facts. No, I'm not playing by rules.
If you do not follow my rules, I'll walk you out.
No, who's in the MFP follow?
So
but facts in the
MFP. Don't be shouting. No problem. Don't be shouting. Don't be shouting. Eric, you are not helping me.
Matthias,
please.
Man committees, you're losing what I say? Hey, Dr. Tony Obin, the longest serving CEO of a Cancer Minerals Commission.
Yeah.
What do you know when you go Kwaku Annan, what Bua galamsey for Nano? Catch you, say, Ayew Addo, na say this for power. Power more BM so be here. Most some on your Munkosin so Munkosin really Munkosin forest him. Muntun Sino. That is the solution they are profiling. Now time one casa. Dr. Tony Obin nobody do. Masabo Kwaku Annan din. No kwa nyabo tire na wo prosano. Na kwa no ye papa John Dramani Mahama obi a de Ghana nyina hye wonsa. O ka tire say wo mu kwa galamsey fu amra che wo mu no. Mu ba mu be gya wo mu no wonder. What you say na fu amra gya wo mu.
Asembe na aba. Asema aba ene say anopai ye nyina na eti udwumadie na as part of the topics no. More raise the extension between galamsey and small scale mining. Now, in the context of that, and a year, Olumunyan for Dr. Effiduase or MP. Ako kan sema yin na ye hu tape ni bi. Na dwantoa, you see tape no. Ofano from north, east, any west, in the south, baby abe fani biya no. Papa no wanka say yi. And more importantly, no, or yeah, medical doctor. Now me feel say, obey one of the people very concerned about this whole galamsey and the pollution and the poisoning of our water bodies issues now aban. Now me interview now. A friend of mine, he's also a medical doctor. He sent me messages. Maybe after this show, I will send it to you. Very appalled. Or deep papa no hoya you mesomadi no hoya na me gina kasa fidie so aka kire Dr. Ayew Afriyie se wonu ni ho a sabe yese kwase anko na ensesa na adwen wonu ni ho obetimi arenda an unqualified apology to the people of Ghana say bia politics there sometimes you know kojina platform so obetimi akasa ama na tra so because of the euphoria there na ye ma fans nya there because clearly what he said in this tape or video was purely political and mischievous and was directed say Ogu NDC party anymore nothing more than that. Eddie Kine utie ni sema oka
NDC news on YouTube.
Yeah my name free then within the last 2 months ensu say abe topic o makofo mu media houses e dey call all mining sites ebe create impression bi ti say as say galamsey na say o my Ghana nsu nti yem bane. He said that in the video. May I have the video? Near audio. The facts do not support that. Nana Jantwa. Yensu started say essay ukroma. Yensu started say essay ukroma. Nana Jantwa wa unye. Ona okita ensu ahodwa. That time, this was October 2022. This picture was posted on Instagram. October 2022. So for Dr. Ayew Afriyie to mount any platform and say started saying within the last 2 months, no, it's I have to be careful. On correct. That was a blatant lie, palpable falsehood. You take you out of context. This is a pure lie. Very nice gentleman. He commands a lot of respect. He should apologize. I say more justify or apologize. It's simple. Oh, said you I was carried away because it was a political platform. Simple, finito. Why should you rationalize this? Messi, it has to start here Jumawaha on the pollution of our water bodies because of galamsey. And now me the person go to Instagram Muamu page.
October 2022, Jeff Ekitan so we twa pictures ni bi. Odisika Ekitan bi twa pictures ni bi. Almost in Sri Lanka phone nyina amutwa bi. Enti e da no obedina ni ma beka say within the last 2 months and so started say ukruma. And for him to have even indicted your own platform, say NDC for omu media house. What is a Power FM echo rounds? And I say what is say Class TV and I see TV echo rounds. And I what is say Class FM and I say Class FM. And to chance will be the bar. And this is serious to say that's no. What you say? A multimedia and nya djuma bone ya djuma pa and a multimedia to protect our water bodies and fight against illegal mining. And this is how say multimedia all of a sudden. Aba NDC for ally. And yadi multimedia namu chucha galamsey pits. Chucha water bodies are polluted. What saying? He should render an unqualified apology to multimedia. Because multimedia nya NDC. Multimedia, as far as I am concerned, is not a pro NDC media house. Ebiano Rajimiagra may use that opportunity to distance or do something about it. Because for Dr. Afriyie to have said that about multimedia, is very bad, and he must be condemned. So kita dream papa no dey kasa asem no a said your person no pay what ha I don't kasi e jimi on I'm kasi school no mkoe yanko bi on o tia say demonstrators ne pa mo mra kumasi na nko mo behu wanka adwin papa na no dey kasa asem no a ka obeti na kase omo won kan mo ye demonstration omo pa mo mra kumasi Asante region na nko mo behu it was alleged sometimes on the board Dumakwasu no NPP for regional secretary on the board na sometime.
And the
me say it was alleged. Me can say a statement of fact here.
Got nothing to do with it.
Meba.
So stick to what you want.
Gentia me dey bam. Uti. No problem.
Stick to what
you want. It is asem no kan ye no. What was he? No o impunity. No o suggested ye. Omubade no mbehu. Demonstration a guaranteed right in the constitution. It is a no be so be demonstration against illegal mining in Kumasi. Dear na Dr. Afriyie obetimi aye. Dear pan obetimi aye. Dear no obetimi aye. Oya ho be ma bebre kuja wo. Dear no obetimi aye. Ah, ye ka member wo Kumasi Dr. Afriyie ka ho. Dear no obetimi aye. There be yes say ne NDC anase kuo bia decide so ye demonstration wo Kumasi. Dear na Dr. Afriyie obetimi aye. And oya MP honorable man. Is that a responsible way of talking? You are only inciting the youth. Because now no man who was social media, I don't know. Say no crowd there who invest war. Yes, it continue. Everyone that near the other person demonstration on this same subject matter. No, sir boys in TC Chromo, no Dr. Afriyie. Obey that. Why obey first obey disappear crowd? Oh, to was a see a whole medical doctor here can't say one. Oh, Saba be Shema Bruna Bufu because we were from my wafu amwaye ma una wo head Dr. Bawumia Campaign team ya ma post akese di ja wafu aye ma o kasa anyhow ya nyimi yo ya ni abro enya Dr. Afriyie na be kire dey say on a whole medical doctor exams do a watro wo wiase ansa na wo benya ne certificate obeso kire me say illegal mining and small scale mining onim difference ene na ya sempa ene na ya sempa ya ti asem ho papa exams do Dr. Afriyie throw from P1 abesi P6 JSS1 sese class 7 or ko me dey na mfa almost be 7 years asa no be medical school ni nyina Dr. Afriyie pese o kire ye ne say illegal mining na friend galamsey no Dr. Afriyie si wonim say eno different from small scale mining. Eti opeso kire say ena make kabom. But in all of this, ade Kwaku Annan kame uye ni interview na me person ka ma na twesan. Say o say NDC for ena akofo amanfo free Togo. Any Burkina. Ababegu Ghana nsuoso. Was that a fair comment?
According to Ononi
Intel Ben, then this government is useless. Then the NPP MPs in parliament very useless. I was saying do you know why? If Dr. Afriyie claims to have evidence, say Yakofo amanfo free Togo, Eddie Baba Besensuo, which is a national security matter and a threat to our very existence and survival because they are poison so now down to our numbi. Ye be by the case in so now, every mouth ye. Every mouth ye. Not the NA sounds so say, not Dr. Moa, also were evidence, say NDC 4 and Akufo Addo for free Togo. Ane Burkina abegu nsuo ne so say no onfa nkoma Akufo Addo onfa evidence ne ma Akufo Addo onfa nkoma sojafo onfa nkoma IGP onfa nkoma obi ase de beye ebetimi asia no kwan bo nsuo no ban. But you mount a political platform and you make some of these sweeping pedestrian comments. And now person oban the level of Nicholas Omania Tampon oban is how you be treating is her because now no me be reading report to Israel. And Oko onwa kasa Professor Prempeh watching report here page 12 paragraph 4 or say throughout our struggle with illegalities in the small scale mining sector, what baffled me was the total disregard of the president's commitment to protect the environment. I can state without any equivocation that many party officials from national to the unit committee level had their friends, their PAs, their agents, their relatives, financiers or relatives engaged in illegal mining. Most of them, Dr. Afriyie, most of them were Chinese. Most of them, most of them engaged Chinese working for them. I am not referring to party people who had their legitimate concession and were mining sustainably as they were instructed to do. These are appointees in the Jubilee House that are doing or supporting illegal mining or interfering with the fight against the menace. Examples are Lord Kome, Charles Teko, and Frank Asiedu Bekui, aka Protozwa. It is a Dr. Afriyie Unima information. Your own former appointee, Dr. Prempeh, who was the chairman of the interministerial committee in the fight against galamsey, or say President Akufo Addo nakache presidency ho Sankrofo no amuche chair mining ayifo ma omo no ano ye illegal mining no om na Akufo China for ti the influence of China for abegu o my we mu a yentimi nso ano no Professor Prempeh say ye mo amkrofo because galamsey no from national executive committee to the unit committee level either say ono akofo na danfo amane ye ma no anaso Akufo China ni amane ye ma no and danfo bi na ye ma no. And this is a report coming from the NPP. Fiayana, it has to stay omo. Na John Boadu driver ya chine site. Report we a bota so Owusu din. They no so yes of no. A boni din so no so much in site. In fact, it has to sound so crazy no. In one of the videos, ye boni din say galamsey site na dia. Why na say oya NDC ni nana Gyamfi Sunday school wako woriasi nyina besi ne. Hwenyame nim ka kyerem say NDC ni be na wo konongo a also betimi aye galamsey awo ba bia na ye tu okwan no in the full glare of the public and I ante no enai anopai obi apa komun komanso adubia left right center ye di galamsey akwan ni ho left right center ye di galamsey from asun kwanta almost the na a whole medical doctor when a documented evidence say foreigners abegum just because of pettiness and politics. You mount a political platform na Nicholas Omania Champion sema okan already at the better because obi awaye fraud them there. Nobody takes him serious. He was convicted for visa fraud. He served jail term. Now I for the power no Lidimo campaign. No see NDC for just a manufacture propaganda. NDC for Akufo foreigners. No whole medical doctor.
All right.
What put two reputation in Adia Tunchai? Repeat Adia Nicholas Momonia Tampon Eka. Say and one say Nana where the Wadaroma.
Hey,
Dana, 30 seconds. Nane, wait, the Miss Rome, Miss Adam says, Mini Pano, and I am Menyamsa. Namaba Beba Power Enche. Nane, what ye, one a settlement report we. So what kind of? Kinda.
Yeah.
What's that to one or no John Ofori Atta, Central Region and Eastern Region. Central Region. Ono na ye security coordinator ono na ye ni lays ona ye galamsey fo a on betua 50 to 55,000 man na omo release excavators no what you say a whole medical doctor heart surgeon otimi tu wakoma no de ama papa we otimi tu papa we de no de ama me meti otimi tu me de no de ama oba yi oba no tu me de no de ama oba na motimi adane papa we galamsey amene 500 excavators ya okroma na no anim ho ya na anim ho ya na low bed ni bi twam na excavators so obi say Professor Prempeh what in there wait
thank you Nancy o vice presidential candidate here Professor Nana Jean e kan bibi fa galamsey no ho yintie do kan ye
it's sampani ezaba no ibinya baze nyina ye gina he ye nyime de amenfi ha galamsey o ha pa ana onye ha galamsey fu no he wonyi magana ha na ehwa enyanda nkotin na sabe ye hu da gold wa ha na enyanda nkotin ni enya galamsey wa ha na se enya abana ono a ejuma ohobogun kakra oho no obogun ono so onfa ejuma nka ho a ebe na ze na mebu no woye se we hu ifanya na ebe nsampa na yezerba yesterday da me bi no krom also ya galamsey na wonsu nse no the man na yeso eba fodo ni akyerɛkyerɛ yɛmba da mo obaye na nsunora onsa ya ho na apo won bra onsa ho na daache onsa ho ni bibia nsinhyehye pa mo na yezerba ma obaye a sadam na eba no so obaye a akyerɛ no kwa na onye na akyerɛ no kwa na ejandama na no so okaye ma onyim efi nsu ni sa ya so no no wase no wenda na oba na dam nsu no ya sampa kura yezerba emebunu no yenyimde wo hia adwuma ono so ka ho sini eze 24-hour economy ni yezerba na ya sa no ho asa osisi ano ono nya baze
Professor Nana Jean into on the issue of galamsey nso now so say kwa ekoso nyina because adwuma eni ho nti omba mbe ni ye and Dr. Ayew nso nsema na okani nyina about the hypocrisy of this whole issue of galamsey no and said you see canon anyway Eric had to say
I don't know Bible
Eric I do for Suya Ashanti regional communication member Eric meet you
yo ana mami kan ko ensem ba ko mienu bi so awdi kan boy Duncan Williams ka simbi na wo two politicians ne fo se wo a odin tokwa anaso be pese odin tokwa be ba 2024 elections no enye papa ma o na me sure se na futuo no na ekoma nipa bi pa na nipa na ekoma no ogina simpie so ka asemu o say we have revolutionary root o say the NDC we were born out of violence
the okay can you say
maybe the manu besi
baby I can I mean it doesn't question Busa what does that got to do with your revolution you are talking about galamsey
maybe manu besi Duncan Williams okay Duncan Williams asemu so was said why the kika what the pinchem be bagana no yan twema e ma wo kwa so
why do you assume say NDC
oh and I make say Duncan Williams aka asem no John Dramani Mahama the leader of the NDC or say they were born out of revolution they have revolutionary roots and that when it comes to violence nobody comes near them
but issue to was asema besa working if you want us to refer hana can make me a bomo NPP4 in some bibria market so you don't go there
I'm going there because what can some and I make sure go be so can
hold on
and you don't pay your camera no there be me refer to election yakwe candidate dia
I am talking about galamsey
ya be ko galamsey no so but we can we message ko ba ko bi mu so wo sa kan ayi hanukote ensembi say remember just a minute
boy
oh boy it's my man correct me bia that be o kan sem bi say hanukote short to fence and ensem we see that time no na enya right na say nyipa bi sheda ye no ma bi na afei na afei am bo bia chese say am say ye pese ye chese say you are giving her the same pill na ya my man can say 2013 John Dramani promise
2014 or some promise BM 2015 or promise and at 2016 I promise not to promise again. And no, and a man doing so. President I promise and when you saw and a man Ghana forecasted a be a demonstration. Not doing so. Yeah, then. Oh, and it wasn't born out of
2016. This was 2015. Voice yeah, boy, you know. By 2016 February, not doom had been solved. These are facts.
Listen, that is your fact.
Eric,
but the fact I also have
Eric,
2015 doom so.
Eric, please.
Mommy flow. No. What
Eric, listen.
You
play by my rules, not your rules.
Matthias,
hold on.
I'm stating facts. No, I'm not playing by rules.
If you do not follow my rules, I'll walk you out.
No, who's in the follow?
So
but facts
calm down. Don't be shouting.
No problem.
Don't be shouting.
I'm just shouting you.
No, don't be shouting.
But share the man shouting.
Eric, you are not helping me.
Matthias,
please. Follow the rules here.
Matthias, follow rules. No.
So what can be near per se fact checker will fact check you.
No problem.
First of all, your ball voice, right? Any ball voice, any actually. So I say your Mahamatan case. Now I am just stating for a fact to say 2016 demonstration now can 2015 and year wombo and I'm a ball mao. It was in 2016. If you followed us, multimedia, extensive research among say, as of February 2016, the issue of doing so had been solved. These are facts, not mean I make conjecture, and you can Google it. More extensive. But I'm just saying, say, the point that we are looking at is the issue of galamsey. To be idea for one shot by the time I'll be drew, now time Nisha.
How many minutes, Bacho?
You have 10 minutes.
10 minutes. My used to say.
Twice away.
And to me 10 minutes to me cannot be I'm saying now what I say it's not my correct it's our impression now cause and you quote the no and you see if it and you a fencing a demonstration
but that was not 2016 and I'm
Matthias 2015 Matthias here but at the end say John Dramani Mahama promised that he failed and the last hour Rebecca say I promise not to promise again me know cause John Dramani Mahama was our promise BM I said I won't make promises I can't that fulfill. We what you say? Etinipa na ye friend say ko very pass ye ne ba no. Enyo ayi e friend say enyo bi na ku antwi o. When you the time na wa magana for so hu the cancer the kind of sort away onye ntina de ne ye aduane ye den eyiye ya to na gu. What you say? Ye ba I friend say ayi galamsey so. Asafo Adjei to have quite to say the galamsey no ya nam say ensuo na wi bibia say ye. Over September 19th 2016 Environment Minister Mahamadu says it is time for government to regularize illegal mining to work at galamsey activities as a more proactive way to stop pollution of water bodies. Mahamadu attempts to halt illegal mining activities. His attempt to halt illegal mining activities have not yielded the desired result because wherever there is mineral resources, people will do everything and whatever it takes to do galamsey. This admission comes more than 3 years after task force in May 2013 to clamp down the operations has failed. Now, we are 2016.
Mambo anum so kakana menye so that
Doctor Effiduase. So she say our kasa no. Kasa kama. So na Asafo Adjei abaye ase opese o disi papa na edwe ho amenti ase. Dr. Effiduase categorically said say one mo ye ade no wonsuo so no ye be den one penene empenichna emomonyade enso Asafo Adjei tina like kansem say Dr. Ayew Afriyie me pacho na o minia ya say penifo ka say obisian asa no eden o ache ne pa nje Asafo Adjei person obeche ne pa ka che Ghana for say Afriyie Dr. Afriyie kwa kansem wan condemn me omoyade no nsusu money no pay ya na Dr. Ayew Afriyie I can say indeed obi oya ade no wonsuo so bia no eno de okwa ne ka bia ayi no aka shoot to kill asem so be kai o just when it comes to ayi omo fight galamsey in fact NPP aban ya boy homode pa na de o mini asodefo eden ewo mu pa
Now for your information, fairness, Asafo Adjei contribute to and I say my misinformation be one man demonstration Katanga for pull out
it's not true.
Katanga
I
for
am a Katanji. I am a Katanji. Yenkasa Katan diaspora for netrosa, but local for Sumbe. As we speak, Enra Bruche for the $10,000, 10,000 Ghana cedis. SND ma organizers of Katanga, local. Inti nyasa Katanga for Suma Puli.
Until letter no a diaspora for say Puli.
But local for bay.
It may but me can't letter can
I'm just training. I'm a
Katanji. But letter no say one when you because I for so many local for I'm obey and me too for some kwama go to police for kaki. Madaroma what I say muka baby a police for bechem some for the one monfa
and yes I be didn't even year free.
Asafo Adjei, who I say mo Katanji for him no muti Asafo Adjei Assemble tomo.
Okay.
What you say? Two. I medu ho ya kakra.
Okay.
Change medu ho ya na say yem papa yemi no be ma Kwaku Buahen. Wo betena mo fidie ya so. E ka say friend sen. Adan Akufo Addo or when elections on obeja politics be.
Okay.
The last time I met Baha, our interview to want to know Hano, Kwaku Buahen etia. In fact, one to me and can't change Kwaku, I want to have because why was say what say? Now we tell me to see myself so. Why was say what say? Politics what jai because Akufo Addo win 8 years in here. Me no ka say galamsey asema ayeken. Kwaku Buahen nam cross from one after the other. Hey, me say wo shi wo mukutupa. Na ye kwa asori kwa ko bompa ye say nyankopon mo ayen ya. Abonsamfo na de bia okoda wo me den wo mso committee so be den. Wo metu za say wo. They are playing the role of what? Abonsamfo now then Kwaku Addo on the presidency tour line the year 2020 we lost almost all mining sites. Mining communities you losing na. What I say? Hey, Dr. Tony Obin, the longest serving CEO of a Cancer Minerals Commission.
Yeah.
What do you know when Kwaku Buahen no wa boa galamsey for na no. Catch you say yen se nyame ya dom na say NDC for power. Ba power mo bia mu so bia he mo sam no mo nkosi nsuo no so mo nkosi nwura ni mo nkosi forest ni mo tun sai no. That is the solution they are profiling. Mem nya wetra unya time wan kasa asem Dr. Tony Obin body din Masabo Kwaku Buahen din ne kwa nya botre na wo pronsa no ne kwa no ye papa John Dramani Mahama obi a de Ghana nyina ahya wonsa o ka kire say wo mu kwa galamsey fo amra che wo mu no mu ba mu beja wo mu no wonder what you say na fo amra wo mu. Oh, what China for na mo de Ghana for Akoto pia. Tuti ya wo for so ye gelu nya Ghana ni nya China.
Man kan asem ko for books.
Oh, John Dramani Mahama enkofo bi kwa kodi the Chief Justice atem. What the Chief Justice akodi the Chief Justice atem. Na mrad go matum no wo pe kwan bi so den ese ja wo nyina. The same Mama say ka che say so no ba wo mu amra achi wo makako she galamsey prison no oba de obeja nyina no ma say ba be sensuo no anu ti say no nana mo demonstration mo say mo person ko demonstration no awasam John Dramani Mahama di mo demonstration anim say fight against galamsey no awasam de ne ka ho because as we speak on starting the position in fact Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia or say and your ma Emma galamsey no cost no the solution or they ban any on say geological service can say ye we ya obi anya machine na kwesi obi no otutu ha wonya bi otutu ha wonya bi oni sika bi o de be reclaim ya na so o de be katakata man ntin no gya no ho sa na ye say o say oba resource geological service for no minimum of $10 million John Dramani Mahama no any opportunity no or the 10 billion Hope City so okay Hope City o
one for 10 will propose
sikase na am say o propose sikase na she o
ma o mu 10 billion
o propose ya no sikase na she o
10 billion am so wa ma o mu 10 billion
na don't I say
wa ma o propose
Bawumia so ma obi eska on so propose John Dramani me say onu new opportunity no 10 billion o de ma Hope City
So I'm quite sisi adan as we speak and training krakwa womu was assassin no ko fa womu nyamo nyina sa eti Bawumia the bold solution ebe resource geological service no now we include chiefs and offense local authorities no in whatever area be galamsey we no na ka bia ma offense and distraction we say na aba from what I say eti me na ba sie no in fact Ghana Armed Forces Lieutenant Colonel KW Pepra wa caution violators said 2024 me kai 10 seconds obia yebam said 2016 election police commander ba kan say wa ba just ba ko fa a ballot box no ndo munye bia o ombasma de ketwa bia me na di wachi na ade ne kan wa de obeti wa widiem ni enti mo amoye ma dwese mo foment trouble mo hey NPP elusu a ye beji atum NDC aweni a ombefa say ye weni a obia come up a say obey the piece of the Ghanaian people.
Eric Edufo Suye, Ashanti Regional NPP Communication Team Member, thank you.
You're waiting for winning and somewhere here Asafo Adjei and the two people were reacting to a year NPP one MP friend Dr. Ayew Effiduase name some of the cancer galamsey and not the best performer net on the best performer excellent and who seminar area Asafo Adjei area Tiawada and send go na Eddie because this news so and hello so we subscribe ya Bawumia subscribe to channel na fe one like it na one share video na more for so any dia share sanse hadie latest and hot news kwa Anamade Bremo. Also, bet me at share what they are fire and so we now have comment box me. In my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.